My name is Elizabeth Wakesho Marami. I am from Taita Taveta country, and I am born and bred in Mombasa. Nilisoma hapa Mama Ngina Girls High School, and after attaining an A-, I was awarded a scholarship to study my BSc in Nautical Technology. I embarked on this journey in the year 2009, where I started studying BSc in Nautical Technology. I had been admitted, job admission, to study law, but I deferred my law degree because this sounded exciting and different. And when I went out there, my eyes were open to a new world. But then I sat down and I thought, if I go out and talk to these young men and women to join this industry, where will they be able to acquire this education? Mine was a scholarship. I am glad our maritime ambassadors were able to pick up that note, and in the year 2010, a curriculum was developed. And the now Bandari Maritime Academy, then Bandari College, started offering these courses. I came back home in 2014, and I have been told not to shy away from my accomplishments. I came back 2014, first class honors from the Arab Maritime Academy, and I started training as a maritime pilot to become Kenya's first female marine pilot. And as I was doing so, I knew I needed to go back to sea, because I was going to always be second guessed if I do not attain the highest rank. And also because I remembered the young boys and girls I kept on telling each and every day, you should join this field. But I felt like I was lying to them. Niko hapa nangangana natafuta kurudi baharini, na wao hawaendi. So my heart was breaking each and every day when I used to look at these girls wake up in the morning, these boys go to college. But I know for a fact that as much as it's out there for them, there is no channel for them to work at sea. Today, or rather in November last year, 2018, something great happened. The first batch was picked. Mediterranean Shipping Company accorded me an opportunity I do not think anyone would have ever given me. Let me explain to you what they did to me. They took me to the new build ship. Yani niliona ikitengenezwa kwa shipyard. I was sent to France, to MSC Bellissima. In my 10 years in this industry of seeing ships, I never thought I would be able to witness a ship being built. I was able to learn the nitty-gritties. They did not look at my gender, as other shipping lines did before when I knocked on their doors. They did not look at my nationality. They did not look at the color of my skin. They just picked me because I passed an interview and I had the papers. We sailed. The ship was inaugurated in Southampton on 2nd of March, and we were able to sail all the way from Marseille, Barcelona, Marseille, Genoa, Naples, Messina, Italy. Yani, nikiwaambia nilipanda ndege mara ya kwanza nikienda Egypt kusoma, sasa nasema hizi, all these countries, it's unbelievable that I am here, you know? But to sit back, and I would like to quote Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde said one time that a dreamer finds his way using the moonlight. And his biggest punishment is that he sees the dawn before anybody else does. I saw this dawn. And when I talked to people, some thought I was crazy. What are you talking about, sea time? Your Excellency the President. Words, I cannot find words to describe how grateful I am that we have been had. I am so grateful because I like to call them my babies, the students of Bandari. Maana nilifundisha hapa pia. I taught at Bandari College when I was looking for sea time. I've mentored these kids. And I would just like to tell them one thing. When you go out there, wewe huendi huko kama vile mimi nilienda Elizabeth. Mimi nilienda like Kenya. I represented Kenya. I went there as a republic of the country. And if I did mess up, my colleagues will not be sitting here today. The same goes out for you. You are going there as a country. Kumbuka ulikotoka, ulikuwa hauna. Kwa hivyo ukiambiwa fanya. Humility, be humble. Fanya kazi kwa bidii. My father this morning told me, lazima ufanye kazi kwa bidii, paka utoe jasho. Si mimi nilisema, ni Mungu. That's what he told me. So work. Remember your people at home. Because these are the people who are going to come. You are the ones creating a name for them. I would not have gotten a promotion in 2 months kama ningekuwa nimejibeba na kiburi nikisema mimi ndio first female marine pilot. Niliendelea hata nikiambiwa shuka chini ukachukue kule, fajia pale kidogo. Fanya. Work. You don't know who is watching. I was perturbed when the captain called me and told me, we have recommended you for promotion after 2 months. And I was busy saying, hizi kazi napewa jameni. But I was just working. Also be your brother's keeper. Be your brother's keeper. Muwe na umoja. Tunaimba unity kila siku, muwe na mmoja ukiwa huko nje. Ukiona mwenzako yopotoka, muamshe, msaidie. Let us cover each other. We are going there as a republic of the country. Your Excellency the President, thank you so much. I am overwhelmed with joy on this day. Mediterranean Shipping Company. You see, the one thing they told me when I joined, you joined a family company. It's in their values, and you'll be told the same. It's a family company, and Kenya is now part of the family. Thank you so much. Thank you.